Hi, I'm Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, and in this video we're going to show you how to use an air compressor. All right, there's a bunch of different air compressors out there, and the one in front of us is a pancake oilless air compressor by Craftsman. Now this one in particular can do a lot of different things, up to 150 pounds of pressure. It has a gauge that tells you how much pressure the tank is holding, as well as a regulator for the amount of pressure that's going to come out of the compressor. Now this is important depending on what tools you're going to connect. Essentially what you do is you plug it in, and there's two connectors to allow you to plug in different air hoses that come in different lengths, different sizes. You can run a bunch of different tools off of a compressor like this. A nail gun, an impact driver. You can use it to fill up the tires in your car. It's really quite versatile of a tool. And with this style, what they call a 6-gallon tank, it's pretty lightweight. Some larger compressors require oil and a lot of maintenance. These just run and run and run. So essentially when you plug it in, and then it will turn on, and once it reaches the pressure that you've set it at, it shuts off and it stores the air in the tank. As you use it, that air that's compressed inside the tank will come in through the hose, through the whatever tool you're using, and this unit will kick on and off. It's fairly quiet, but in a closed area, it can be pretty loud. And as I mentioned, a compressor like this, you can use a bunch of different tools on, and for projects around your home or light DIY projects that require pneumatic tools, a compressor like this will do the trick. Coming up next, my video on how to use an impact driver.